Welcome to our channel. When it comes to trading in vehicles, understanding trade-in values is crucial for anyone looking to sell their car effectively. Many people underestimate the importance of knowing what their vehicle is worth, which can lead to significant financial losses. It's essential to do thorough research on your vehicle's current market value before stepping into a dealership. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and ensures you don't sell for less than your car is worth. Additionally, maintaining your vehicle in good condition, gathering all necessary documentation, and being aware of seasonal trends can significantly impact the trade-in offer you receive. As we delve deeper into this topic, I will provide practical tips and strategies that can help maximize your trade-in offers. By understanding the nuances of vehicle trading and avoiding common mistakes, you can enhance your selling experience and achieve a more favorable outcome. Whether you're a first-time seller or have traded in vehicles before, these insights will equip you with the tools needed to navigate the trade-in landscape confidently and successfully. When considering the trade-in value of a vehicle, several key factors come into play that can significantly influence the offer you receive. One of the most critical aspects is providing accurate vehicle information, including the vehicle identification number, VIN, and current mileage. This data allows dealerships to assess the vehicle's history and determine its market value more accurately. Inaccurate or incomplete information can lead to lower offers, so transparency is essential. Additionally, the condition of the vehicle plays a vital role in determining its trade-in value. A well-maintained car with a clean interior and exterior will naturally command a higher offer than one that shows signs of neglect or damage. Maintenance records can further bolster your position, as they demonstrate that the vehicle has been cared for and serviced regularly, which can instill confidence in potential buyers. It's also important to understand that trade-in values differ from retail prices. While retail prices reflect what a buyer might pay for a vehicle in a dealership setting, trade-in values are typically lower because they account for the dealership's need to resell the vehicle at a profit. This distinction matters because it sets realistic expectations for sellers. Knowing that trade-in values are generally less than retail prices can help you approach negotiations with a clearer understanding of what to expect. By considering these factors, accurate vehicle information, condition, maintenance records, and the difference between trade-in and retail values, you can better prepare yourself for the trade-in process and maximize the offer you receive. Negotiating a better trade-in offer requires a strategic approach to ensure you get the best possible deal. One of the first steps is to research your vehicle's market value before entering negotiations. Utilize online resources and valuation tools to determine a fair price based on your car's make, model, year, and condition. This knowledge will empower you during discussions and help you set realistic expectations. Additionally, gathering competing offers from other dealerships can significantly strengthen your negotiating position. By obtaining quotes from multiple dealerships, you can leverage these offers to encourage your preferred dealership to match or exceed them, creating a competitive environment that works in your favor. Being prepared with documentation and service records is equally crucial in the negotiation process. Having a complete set of maintenance records demonstrates that you have taken good care of your vehicle, which can justify a higher trade-in value. Ensure you have documents such as the title, registration, and any service history readily available to present to the dealer. This transparency not only builds trust but also provides the dealer with the information they need to assess your vehicle accurately. Moreover, approach the negotiation with confidence and a willingness to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. Remember, the goal is to secure a deal that reflects the true value of your vehicle. By researching your vehicle's market value, gathering competing offers, and being well prepared with documentation, you can enhance your chances of negotiating a better trade-in offer and ultimately achieve a more favorable outcome. Understanding how sales tax benefits can impact the overall trade-in value is essential for anyone looking to maximize their financial advantage when purchasing a new vehicle. When you trade in your vehicle, the value of that trade-in is deducted from the purchase price of your new car, which effectively reduces the taxable amount. For instance, if you are buying a new vehicle priced at $30,000 and your trade-in is valued at $10,000, you only pay sales tax on the remaining $20,000. This can lead to significant savings, especially in states with higher sales tax rates. To illustrate, let's say your state has a sales tax rate of 7%. Without a trade-in, you would pay $2,100 in sales tax on the full $30,000 purchase. However, with the trade-in, you only pay $1,400 in sales tax on the $20,000. This results in a savings of $700, which can be a substantial amount when considering the overall cost of purchasing a new vehicle. Encouraging viewers to consider these tax benefits when negotiating is crucial. Many sellers focus solely on the trade-in value without factoring in the tax implications, which can lead to missed opportunities for savings. By understanding how trading in a vehicle can lower the taxable amount, you can negotiate more effectively and ensure that you are not only getting a fair trade-in offer but also maximizing your overall savings. This strategic approach can make a significant difference in the long run, allowing you to allocate those savings toward other expenses or enhancements for your new vehicle. As you approach the final steps in negotiating your trade-in offer, it's essential to remain firm on your desired trade-in value. Having done your research and gathered competing offers, you should feel confident in the value you believe your vehicle deserves. Clearly communicate this value to the dealer, and don't be afraid to reiterate the reasons behind your stance, such as the vehicle's condition, maintenance history, and market research. However, it's equally important to be willing to walk away if the offer does not meet your expectations. Many sellers feel pressured to accept the first offer presented, but being prepared to leave the negotiation table can often lead to better offers. Dealers are aware that customers who are willing to walk away may prompt them to reconsider their initial proposal, so don't hesitate to assert your position. While negotiating the trade-in value, remember to consider the overall deal, including the purchase of your new vehicle. Sometimes, a dealer may offer a higher trade-in value but compensate for it by increasing the price of the new car or reducing discounts. Ensure that you evaluate the entire package rather than focusing solely on the trade-in offer. Look at the total cost of the new vehicle, financing options, and any additional fees involved. By remaining firm on your desired trade-in value, being prepared to walk away if necessary, and considering the overall deal, you can navigate the negotiation process more effectively. This comprehensive approach will help you secure a trade-in offer that aligns with your expectations while ensuring that the entire transaction is beneficial for you. Understanding trade-in values and effective negotiation strategies is crucial for anyone looking to sell their vehicle and maximize their financial return. We discussed the importance of researching your vehicle's market value, gathering competing offers, and being prepared with documentation to support your position. Additionally, we highlighted how sales tax benefits can significantly impact the overall trade-in value, allowing you to save money in the long run. As you navigate the final steps of negotiation, remember to remain firm on your desired trade-in value and be willing to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. Evaluating the entire deal, including the purchase of your new vehicle, is essential to ensure you're making the best financial decision. We hope you found these insights valuable and that they empower you in your next vehicle trade-in experience. If you're interested in more automotive tips and insights, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on the latest strategies and advice to help you navigate the automotive landscape with confidence. We also want to hear from you. Share your own experiences with trading in vehicles or any questions you may have in the comments section below. Your feedback is invaluable, and we look forward to connecting with you as we continue to explore the world of automotive sales and trade-ins together. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.